Hi, welcome to the next module of Become a Data Engineer course, and here we will focus on streaming. And this module is one of two major modules dedicated to streaming processing only, and here we are going to focus either on some basic concepts or more on operationalizing or writing streaming pipelines. So what is the plan? The plan, as usual, is divided into two blocks, the theoretical and practical. And in the theory, we will start by the first lessons about some basics concepts of streaming processing, namely the patterns, different architectures, of course, transformations you can apply on top of streaming data. And finally, we will finish this part with the difference between event time and processing time, which is very important from the deliveries semantic point of view, not delivery semantic. That means exactly once or at least once, but delivery semantic in terms of time. And this is the first block, and the second block will be mostly about operationalizing streaming pipelines. So we will see here scalability, auto-scaling, reprocessing, different streaming processing patterns, back pressure mechanism, and also I will give you a few tips how to debug streaming pipelines. And to illustrate all these theoretical concepts, I will use mainly two tools. So as usual, Apache Spark Structure Streaming to cover, as you can see, different lessons. But I will also this time introduce a second data processing framework, which is Apache Flink, because it has a slightly different semantic for processing data in streaming than Apache Spark Structure Streaming, and I think that both will give you a much more complete overview of what we can do with streaming processing. And that's quite obvious. For all of these use cases, we will use Apache Kafka as our data source. So that's all for this lesson. You know, the introductions are really short and they are just here to give you some time to discover the agenda and what will be the lessons. And I hope that you are quite impatient to go to another lessons where we are going to see, as you saw previously, some basics first and later the operationalization part. So thanks for watching and see you in the next lesson.